No?
Funny girl, senpai, yeah, that ending gave me pain. Body pillows in the whip, and I'm swerving through these lanes. And you know Marin bad when she wear that cosplay. I would let her smack my balls like they playing rhythm games. All these waifus dying cause they getting hit by truck coon. Can't get past one day without beating it to a cartoon. Smacking Chun-Li's ass cause we both know kung fu. Choji getting fatter every day like a balloon.
Watching hentai on the daily, yeah, you already know that I failed no nut November like 40 days in a row. And Hinata looking fine, I'ma steal her from Naruto. Lana Rose got nothing on me and my 2D hoes.
Top a hentai body pillow, Chizuru, you know I got a Marin Remen 02 up on me, chillin' in the sauna. On my anime, we caught up 2D girls, I got a lot of. And my wife with my up in my bed, she's saying,
Hey, where'd the beat go?